The Wall Street Journal will not be covering President Trump's Scotland trip in person. The White House announcing they are removing the publication from the press pool covering the trip overseas. The White House says they're doing so due to the Journal's reporting that alleges that the president, who wasn't the president at the time, sent a sexually suggestive message to the late convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein back in 2003. Trump now suing Rupert Murdoch and the Journal over that. So will we ever learn the truth about Jeffrey Epstein's clients? Under public pressure, President Trump wants grand jury transcripts to be released. But Epstein's former lawyer says they may not reveal much. Here's Fox's Rebecca Castor.
Whether the president likes it or not, public interest in the Jeffrey Epstein scandal is not going away. Now he's trying to appease critics who think he may be involved by ordering his Department of Justice to ask a federal judge to unseal grand jury transcripts that led to the accused child sex trafficker's arrest.
Grand jury information is narrowly tailored by prosecutors only to provide sufficient evidence to result in an indictment.
Epstein's former lawyer wants the transcripts released, but says what the public is looking for, such as a client list, is not in there. Instead, he thinks investigators should be talking to Epstein's former girlfriend and confidant, Ghislaine Maxwell.
She is the Rosetta Stone. She knows everything. She arranged every single trip. If she were just given use immunity, she could be compelled to testify. I'm told that she actually would be willing to testify.
Earlier this month, the DOJ and FBI revealed they have not found a client list or evidence that Epstein was murdered. President Trump is now calling the whole thing a scam perpetuated by Democrats.
This is his making. He was president when Epstein got indicted for these charges and went to prison. He was president when Epstein committed suicide.
Ghislaine Maxwell is currently appealing her child sex trafficking conviction and sentence to the Supreme Court. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.
This whole back and forth has caused some cracks within his own administration.
In his own administration and his own base, which is part of the reason he's so eager to change the subject, but so far doesn't look like that's happening anytime soon.